my Destiny tribe, you're on a happy journey in Hong Kong today because we are about to try a lot of vegan delicious restaurants. Let's go! Man, I'm so hungry. I'm just smelling the food from here. Wow.
We didn't have a proper breakfast today, so yeah, this will be it.
We're kind of doing that diet, how is it called? Until midday, no food, just water.
Not true. Absolutely not true.
Intermittent diet. Yeah. Totally focus. Focus.
And this is the Beyond Meat burger. Let's try them out.
Look at that dessert. What is the name? Do you remember?
Cake with ice cream.
I know the ice cream is salted caramel.
Actually a brownie cake with salted caramel ice cream.
Guys, we are in Causeway Bay and I can't wait to drink that mango sagu. Let's go. We left our luggage at the hostel and now we are on our way for
Vegan.
Let's go! Look who is happy!
It's first white chocolate since I went vegan. I love white chocolate.
Look at that! Wow! What about that, babe?
Smells amazing.
It doesn't just smell; it looks amazing. That's the calzone, and this is the Four Seasons vegan pizza. Let's enjoy our meal, babe. I'm sorry guys, you have to see this. And of course, to close the night, we had to come to Green Common and make our vegan grocery. Let me see what we got. Beyond Meat burgers, vegan mayo, beefless burger, and lots of vegan cheese, and we are ready to go. And if you need more information about Hong Kong and its attractions, don't forget to check the link below to our blog. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Bye!